Begin with a measured cup of uncooked quinoa, followed by 2 cups of water or vegetable broth for boiling. Next, dice up 1 whole cucumber and a cup worth of cherry tomatoes. You'll also need 1/4 of a red onion, finely chopped, and 1 ripe avocado, cubed. Additionally, include 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or cilantro as per your preference. And lastly, salt and pepper to your taste. Begin by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove its natural coating, which can be a bit bitter. Then, in a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water or vegetable broth to a boil. Add the rinsed quinoa, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until all the liquid is absorbed. Remove it from the heat, let it sit for 5 minutes, then fluff it with a fork and allow it to cool to room temperature. To prepare the vinaigrette, whisk together 1/2 cup of olive oil, the juice of 2 lemons, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper in a small bowl. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of cooled quinoa, 1 diced cucumber, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 of a diced red onion, and a handful of your choice of parsley or cilantro. Add 1 diced avocado, pour 1/3 cup of lemon vinaigrette over the salad and gently toss to combine everything evenly. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to taste. Your salad is now ready to be served immediately, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. It makes for a perfect light main dish or a side salad using 2 cups of mixed greens. Remember, the 1 cup of quinoa should be fully cooled before mixing with other ingredients to maintain the freshness of the 1 cup of diced vegetables. Feel free to add 1/2 cup of other vegetables like bell peppers or artichoke hearts, or even 1/2 cup of chickpeas for extra protein. This quinoa salad with 1/4 cup of lemon vinaigrette is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for any health-conscious individual. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Until next time, happy cooking!